And now I've added right here. You see this bottom channel, everybody? You see where it keeps touching? If you look at this, look here, 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 and here. See it? It's touched this thing like a million times already this morning. That's why I scooped it back up down here, because the intention was if it wasn't going to continue to run right here, that means it was going to pull back to the bottom of this channel where this will be an add, and then it'll come back up. And if not, I'll cut it when it breaks VWAP. But again, I'm in so small, right, size-wise comparative to what I'm used to trading, that it's like this gets my juices flowing. This gets me ready for the day. This gets me practicing, you know, executions of trades. It gets my mind starting to look at channeling, right? So it's doing all the things, right, to get me prepped and ready for the day. Now, if you guys have cash accounts and you don't want to, you know, burn up your cash, you know, while you're doing this, you can just imagine this or paper trade it, right? And that will get your minds right and set up for a successful day of trading. Because what you don't want is you come in at 9:30, right? Ding, the bell rings, everything's going crazy, and you're like, I gotta get into something, and then, well, if you do a little bit in the pre-market, it kind of takes away the whole like I must get in every trade thing, right? So it will kind of save you at the bell. So now you can see this is a green trade. We bought in down here at the very bottom level of this channel, and now we're just waiting for it to pop up back up to this 330, 336. Now I can't sit in it because soon everybody else will be in here. But this is, again, just an example of what you guys can be doing. You can see here it's a green trade, barely, but it is. And I bought it off the dip here, 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 and then it barely pulled down. But this is where I bought more right here, waiting in anticipation for it to come back up to this side. Did you guys see how we did all that? So again, this is what we call, if you're new in here, this is what we call channel trading, okay? We're trading the channel. As long as it continues to give us the same look, we can continue to add here and wait to see if it breaks. If it doesn't, I sell back off. Then I add again here. I wait to see if it breaks. Break meaning to the upside. If it pulls back, right, then I sell it off. And then I buy it here, and then I wait to see if it breaks. If it pulls off, I sell it off, so on and so forth. So even on these little baby trades, we're always paying attention to every little position every time, right? Or where it stops, that will give us an indication of a channel. Now, if this breaks, right, this 47.09 almost to the penny, if this breaks this, you're going to have a nice pop, right? Looking at this little move. Now, listen, I know because it's a small stock, this is like penny stuff, but the same rule applies for this as if I was trading SPX for $4,500. There's no difference. The channels are the same. I don't care if this was crypto. I don't care if this was futures. It's all the same every time. So right here is your resistance at 47.09. And then we will have to see what it does. If you look at it, though, right there is support. Can you see it? And I know it's a small channel, but this is what I want you guys to always be thinking about. Okay, that's off of this, this, and this. Do you see it? Here, this is your trading channel, okay? Every time, here to here, here to here, until it breaks one or the other, which drives a new channel. Okay, does that make sense to everybody? Like right here, I told you guys right here on the ceiling, this. So right here is the short, okay? It pulls down, it broke, we're in a new channel. That's your payday, right? This big long pull, that's your payday. And then we're looking for the next channel, and we start drawing that out and then go, hey, where should I be? Now right here, right? So now what I would do is I would make this the channel. You see these bodies? Boom. Now we're going these bodies up to this 47, which we've already had from before. So it comes down, bang, it goes back up. If it doesn't break to the upside, you can then short it again, so on and so forth. Does that make sense? And I know it's on a small scale, but it really doesn't matter, does it?